EIFFEL handle post. Thanks to its strong, stable, and elegant tube shape, Dahon's EIFFEL handle post has enjoyed great popularity and feedback. The newly upgraded EIFFEL handle post is compatible with even more models. Made with high-quality aluminum alloy, it is so named for its Eiffel Tower shape. In line with the principles of mechanics, the combination of square tube and square joint means higher strength. The internal V-clamp locking structure is simpler to secure even more firmly. The edge of the square vertical tube gives way into curved lines, avoiding rubbing against the frame when folding, with less interference and smaller folded volume. After folding, the wheels are parallel and easier to push. Reduced packaging volume, easy to ship. Rounded transitions make a clean finish on the corners of the upper and lower joints. Smooth appearance, more compact and refined. The angle of the vertical clamp is carefully designed. Handlebar faces outwards when folded, making it easier to adjust handlebar height. Tried and tested adjustments minimize folded width. Avoid parts and latches colliding with the front fork or rear stays, and enjoy an easy fold. Special parts performance with the affordability and accessibility of general parts.